This is question 64 on your final exam review, and here we're being asked to find the sum. So let's go ahead and write out our formula first. Now that we have the equation, we can go ahead and look for the variables that we need to plug into the equation based off of what is given. So we know that a sub 1 equals 1, and we know that a sub n, our last term, equals 203, but we don't know what n equals. So in order to find n, we can see that this is going to be a arithmetic sequence. So we can use the arithmetic sequence formula or equation in order to solve for n. So on the right hand side, let's go ahead and write a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now here we can say we have 203 equals 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And let's go ahead and solve for d really quickly so we can just put a number variable there instead. So we have 3 minus 1 equals 2, and then we have 5 minus 3 equals 2, so 2 equals d. So then we have 203 equals 1 plus 2 times n minus 1. Let's go ahead and subtract 1 from both sides. So now we have 202 equals 2 times n minus 1. Divide both sides by 2 to get rid of 2. We have 101 equals n minus 1. Add 1 to both sides, and we have 102 equals n. Now that we know what n equals, we can go ahead and plug that back into our original equation. So we have 1 plus 203 over 2 times 102. This becomes 102 times 102, which equals 10,404. That means C will be our correct answer choice.